So 16 pieces, madam, or 32? 16 pieces, 99. Yes, yes, yes. So what you like? Dynamite, teriyaki, yung special, salmon avocado, and dynamite. This one, you are there. Okay, no problem. Your request, madam, because you're regular customer. I give it to you for your comeback. Tempura, okay.
Without
Crab, yes. Tempura. What else?
caviar.
Yes, yes. No crab, yeah. Katana, yes, this one good.
Yes.
Mango, katana. Last one.
Now how many types we have?
You have 3. Last one.
Which one do you want?
Mango mapi.
Emma?
No mapi, okay.
With the...
Katana with mango.
Yes, with
Ah,
shrimp.
okay.
Okay, this is with shrimp, right?
Yes, all with shrimp. Because you don't like crab. How about salmon, madam? Our salmon.
No, we want this one.
This one, crispy California, we replace
The crab?
crab shrimp like that. Yeah, inside with the crab, I replace shrimp like that.
Okay.
Crispy.
Okay, crispy California.
Okay, last one. Crispy. How about salmon? You don't have salmon.
Yes.
Salmon avocado, the good one. Or teriyaki salmon. You, madam. No, you ordered already teriyaki. Why don't you try salmon avocado? Salmon avocado with Philadelphia.
Without
Crab.
Without crab.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Salmon avocado. Okay.
And we want to consider.
Only Coca-Cola Light, madam.
Yes.
Bottled water. Okay. At pagkakuha ko nga ng order nila, madam, ay dediretso ko na ng kusina yan. At may kasama pa rin po na 2 noodles po yan ang order nila, madam. At eto't gagawin na nga po natin ng sabay-sabay yan. All around nga eh. Chef ka na, cashier ka pa, waiter ka pa, dishwasher ka pa. In short, alipin. Edi wow. Akala nyo po may extra bayad tong mga ginagawa ko. Wala po. Extra stress meron, manapa. Araw-araw yan. Dahil pagka mababa pa yung benta, ako pa rin ang sisisihin ng aking amo. Wala tayong magagawa, ganun talaga eh. Sino bang sisisihin niya? At ako lang din ang tao rito sa kusina at sa labas. At pagka day off nga ng aming cashier, ay ako pa rin ang nagkakashier. Meron po kaming manager dyan, syempre. Late naman dumarating yun at hindi naman nag-i-stay sa restaurant yun at paalis-alis lang. Titingin lang dyan yun, titingnan lang yung benta kung magkano na. At pagka maliit, ay galit pa. Ay, apo, anya mo to, nagawid tayo. Ay, apo, lapit na, konting tiis na lang. Kaya pa naman, kaya ito't gagawin na natin yung order nila, madam, na sabay-sabay. Without crab at without tawwi ko lang po ito ang request nila. Kaya naman eto't gagawin na natin yan. Ayun, paulit-ulit, lalagyan natin ng konting design at kaekikan yan para ma-serve na. At nang maibigay ko nga yan, ay tuwan-tuwa sila, madam. Ayan, at nag-picture-picture pa. Yun lang, salamat. Love you all. Mama, chup-chup. Think positive lang tayo, mga pari ko.